These next hats are going to be bases. And each one of these hat bases can be a hat in and of itself. If you have a line of 50 kids and you have a bunch of hats that you want to get out and you only have like 15 minutes. I mean, something that drastic. They'll each get something. But these hat bases are also ones that the ideas in this DVD will base from. The first one is a one balloon hat base A, and it goes like this. You measure the child's head, and then where it meets, you twist these two together. To keep it more sturdy, right here where they're twisting together, do a 1-inch pinch twist. Now for some of the hats today, we'll be leaving this sticking up. But for a lot of the other hats we're going to make, we take this, we do a 1-inch bubble in the very end, go to the opposite end here, and just twist this around. And this is one balloon hat base A. One balloon hat base B is different. You measure the child's head or the adult's head. You still do this, but instead of going to the end, you go about 1/3 around the circle and attach the bubble that way. This is a wonderful hat base where you can extend things out here and support it up here. That's one balloon hat base B. There are several ideas in this that you're going to be using this base too. The next hat base you're going to learn is two balloon hat base A. Take two balloons, fully inflate them with about an inch nipple on the end. Twist them together. Now what you do to lock these in is take one of these bubbles and just twist them underneath, and that locks it in. Measure the child's head or the recipient's head. Now when you get it to this part too, you do like before, except you twist both of them together and pinch twist these two together like this. This in and of itself makes a really cool hat too, because look at all of the action just this does for you. One balloon hat base B is really two balloon hat base B. I need to learn my math. Is you divide these two in half and squeeze a bubble on the end of these and connect them to the back. And you have two balloon hat base B. Two balloon hat base C. Similar. Take two. Measure the head. Do the pinch twist. Now you're going to be dividing this into 3 parts with 2 twists. Go about 1/3 of the way up, twist them together. Go about, make sure this doesn't come undone. Go about another 1/3 of the way, twist them again. Then go to the end. And twist the ends together like this. And here you have two balloon hat base C. The next one we're going to do is going to be the final one, which is a Carmen Miranda hat base. Very simple. You can use this as a hat, or you can use it as a hat base too. You take the two knots, you connect the ends of 2 fully inflated balloons. Okay, then divide those 2 in half like so. Notice you don't have to measure ahead with this one, and it's fast too. Bring these 2 ends together. twist them together. Then put all 4 balloons together from the where you've locked them in here, and twist another one where all 4 of these bubbles are together. Twist it a whole bunch of times, and you have a Carmen Miranda hat base. A few of the ideas in here can be used as this, but most of them use the other bases. But think, remember the balloon moves we used? What about putting a couple of spirals out coming out here, or coming out the back? What about putting antennas coming out here? You can almost turn this into a spider hat with a little bit of imagination. With that, let's go on to the basic balloon hats, and you will be needing 1 balloon hat base A for these variations.